When you have removed the walls of the wooden shipping crate, you will notice the unit is banded to the pallet. The diesel particulate filter, DPF cleaner, will need to be taken off the pallet with a forklift. Next, remove the bubble pack from the vacuum cleaner located inside the door of the vacuum cabinet. There are several different DPF adapter kits available for the DPF cleaner. If your system comes with adapters, you're ready to go. If not, you'll need to order the specific adapters and software unlock cards for your application. Here is a typical adapter set, including adapter rings, inlet cones, and software unlock card. In addition to the accessories, there are also software unlock cards that will open up the particular software you need for your DPF cleaner. All the base software for current brands is installed on your machine. The cards unlock the specific software you've purchased. If you wish to expand your capabilities in the future, you may purchase additional unlock cards for new and updated software. Enclosed in each DPF cleaning system is an information pack, complete with user's manual and registration card. This packet is found on the inside of the vacuum cabinet door. For registration purposes, you can either fill out the card included in the information pack and send it via mail to us, or you may register online by going directly to this link. Or you may go to otctools.com and find the registration form under the DPF Cleaner tab on the Registrations drop-down menu. You'll need to be registered in order to receive future software updates. There are brakes on the two casters located on the end of the DPF cleaner. Engage the brakes by stepping on the on side of the paddle. This helps steady the cleaner during the cleaning process. Plug the power cord from the DPF cleaner into a 110-volt 15-amp outlet. Connect shop air, 110 psi minimum, 120 psi or greater is recommended, and 1/2 inch ID minimum hose to the filter dryer air fitting located on the end of the machine. As the machine operates, you need to maintain at least 120 psi. A hose that is too small can affect this. If your adapter kit contained a software unlock card, insert it in the card reader on the front control panel. Pull out the on-off button on the control panel. The display briefly shows the version of software in the unit. The unit verifies an air supply has been connected and displays a message that asks the user to verify the air filter dryer does not need maintenance. Let's quickly review some safety issues. Wear eye protection that meets OSHA standards. Set up the DPF cleaner in an area where there is adequate ventilation. Wear a dust mask to avoid breathing the ash. Wear nitrile gloves that meet OSHA standards. Wear ear protection that meets OSHA standards. Never attempt to clean a DPF that is too hot to touch. A DPF must be securely clamped in place before a cleaning cycle is initiated. Unplug the DPF cleaner before beginning any service work. If you must use an extension cord, use the shortest possible cord with a minimum size of 14 AWG. Use the DPF cleaner only for the purpose for which it was designed. Use only those adapters approved by the manufacturer. Please read the safety information found on page 4 of the user's manual for additional information. The main menu is displayed on two screens. Press the down arrow to move between the screens. Press a number key to make a selection. Main menu choice number 1, Vacuum. Use this menu choice to turn the vacuum on or off. Main menu choice number 2, Setup. Press the down arrow to move between the screens. Press a number key to make a selection. Printer. You can set up an optional printer. See page 6 of the user's manual. Set language. Set units. Choose English or metric units of measure. Set date and time. Edit system text. If yes was selected for the Setup menu option Printer, use the Printer Header option to enter text that will appear on a printout each time a cleaning cycle is completed. Set contrast. Press the up or down arrow to adjust the brightness. Main menu. Return to the main menu. Beeper. Press the right or left arrow to turn the display screen beeper on or off. Now we're ready to clean a diesel particulate filter. Make sure it's cooled. Never try to clean a hot filter. Select the appropriate cone and adapters for the application. Verify the DPF cleaner table is clean. Place the lower adapter on the table with the piloting edge of the adapter in the hole in the table. The adapter flange should rest on the O-ring in the table. Attach the adapter cone to the Quick Connect coupler, positioning the cone so the pressure port is facing the pressure transducer hose. Connect the pressure transducer hose to the pressure port on the cone. Place the DPF on the lower adapter with the arrow on the side of the DPF pointing up, indicating the direction of the exhaust flow. The DPF must be flat on the lower adapter with no visible gaps between the DPF and the adapter. If an upper adapter is necessary for your application, place the upper adapter on the DPF with the rubber seal facing the DPF. The upper adapter must be flat on the DPF with no visible gaps between the adapter and the DPF. Attach the provided magnet to the side of the DPF. Clamp the alligator clip of the DPF's cleaner's ground wire to the magnet. Close and latch the doors to the pressure chamber. The DPF cleaner will not operate until the doors are secure. Verify the cartridge filter covers are securely clamped. The handles point down when the covers are correctly closed and locked into place. Once a DPF has been properly loaded into the DPF cleaner, select option number 3, Clean, from the main menu. Select the DPF manufacturer. Use the down arrow to move between screens. If you have not unlocked the software, you will get an error message at this point. You must acquire an unlock card for the specific DPF manufacturer. Refer to the initial setup part of this video. Once a cleaning protocol has been chosen, follow any prompts that are given on the display screen. The display asks the user to adjust the clamp force on the DPF. Operate the hand pump to raise the table and DPF to the cone. Watch the display and stop pumping when the clamp force value is equal to or greater than the clamp force parameter. The cone must fit uniformly on top of the upper adapter. Release pressure by slowly turning the control knob on the pump. Select the Go button. The vacuum cleaner will run for 5 seconds to check the condition of the vacuum filter. The unit builds pressure in the air tank and sounds out 4 beeps to alert the user that there will be a low-pressure burst of air to verify the DPF is capable of withstanding the cleaning process. The unit then builds pressure in the air tank to equal the burst pressure parameter. The unit sounds 4 beeps and completes another burst of air, this time at full burst pressure. The cycle repeats according to the specified number of cycles parameter.